This is my first visit to MerryStar. It's a surprise to see like brand new branch of MerryStar, and they already started Cambridge. I can see that they have been implementing very effectively here. First thing we want to learn here is school environment. How should we prepare for like child-friendly arrangement for everything, not only inside the classroom, like toilet, like neighboring rooms for the children. The lead teacher is a very experienced one, and she did care for the children individually. The thing I appreciate the most is she knows all the children. She called by name. And it's mean like the children feel so confident and feeling safe in the classroom while learning with her. The thing is, the children understand the teacher knows them very well. And also she can control some of the like different behavior of the children confidently. They really care for the safety of the very young children in here. I can see it. So mostly in international school, when the guests or the parents come in, they prefer to take some photo of their child or like the environment, because mostly kindergarten environment is very nice, so they want to learn about something. But the thing is, we still need to care for the safety of the very young children. That's why we make the cautions for not to take a photo without getting the consent. So in here I see at the gate about all of these rules, and this is compulsory for everyone to check it out first before they come inside the campus. This is the thing I appreciate about the arrangement for the safety of the very young children.